Hi there, it's Alan from Fine & Country with your February market update. And it's official. 2021 was the busiest market since 2007, with activity levels unseen since before the global financial crisis. HMRC reports that across the UK, just shy of 1.5 million sales took place. That's 43% higher than in 2020, and a rise of 26% compared to 2019. Mortgage approvals and lending are up by 15% and 29% respectively, compared to 2020. And activity levels remain brisk, even following the end of the financial incentives provided by the governments. Rightmove and Zoopla report there has been no let-up in buyer demand at the start of 2022. The success of the country's response to the Omicron variant and the lifting of COVID restrictions have increased positive, and prospective buyers continue to evaluate lifestyle and search for space. Hybrid working looks here to stay as many start the year settling into new routines. Zoopla reports that demand from apartment hunters outside the capital is at a 5-year high. Demand within the capital is at its highest level since the market reopened in the summer of 2020. Rightmove report new year demand is up 15% year on year, and Zoopla has seen demand in the opening weeks of 2022 at 49% higher than the average, which was witnessed between 2018 and 2021. Pent-up demand remains high. A lack of available property to purchaser means that buyer competition is nearly double that than a year ago. Best and final offers for property in sought-after locations are commonplace, and many are selling above asking prices. There are tentative signs that stock levels will start to improve in the coming weeks. Rightmove report the number of home valuations in the first working week of 2022 was up by 44% on the same time in 2021. And perhaps more usefully, given the country was in lockdown a year ago, valuations were up 48% on 2020. At present, an estimate 40% of buyer inquiries about a home have not yet put theirs on the market, so-called power buyers. Those who have money in their pocket, who are already sole subject to contract, are in the best position to secure their dream property. With annual property price growth in or close to double digits in many areas, any influx of new stock to the market should help calm property price inflation. The latest data from Nationwide indicates annual property price growth in the year to January is 11.2%, the strongest start to a year since 2005. In the prime markets, annual price growth currently exceeds 10% in the North West, West Midlands, Wales, Yorkshire and the Humberside. The IMF, International Monetary Fund, predicts the UK economy will grow by 4.7% over 2022, the strongest growth of any of the G7 industrialised nations. Balanced against this is 5.4% consumer price inflation in the year to December, and in real terms, wage growth stagnation. Concern for the economy has led to a 4-point drop in consumer confidence in January, compounded by energy price rises and planned changes to national insurance contributions in April. The Bank of England raised the base rate to 0.5% in early February, but it's unlikely to have a significant impact on the market in the short term. Most homeowners are on a fixed rate deals, and even at 0.5%, the base rate is extremely low by historical standards. With energy costs a significant element of current price rises, this may well turn the spotlight across the market onto more energy efficient homes, particularly for those seeking to upgrade or take their first steps onto the property ladder. To market your home in time for spring, please do get in touch with me by phone on 07810 567 862 or give me an email at alan, A-L-U-N, .graham@fineandcountry.com.